I'm showing you the rubric for this week's essay submission. I'm reminding you to please check the rubric before submitting your essay this week. Okay. The rubric has the following criteria to get a 30 points score in the introductory paragraph. It says the paragraph contains a strong hook that draws the reader in and gives adequate context for the essay topic. It also contains a thesis statement at the end of the paragraph that responds directly to the writing prompt and indicates the controlling idea for the essay. To get a full score of 30 for the body paragraph, the paragraph has a single controlling idea that is established inside the topic sentence. The topic sentence is the first sentence of the paragraph. It also contains the two types of supporting details. So these are the facts, the expert testimony, statistics, and personal experience that directly support the topic sentence. The paragraph ends with a concluding and a transitional sentence. The concluding paragraph must revisit themes and ideas from the essay. It also provides the reader with closure. And the last one is conventions. The essay contains 3 paragraphs. Okay? There are no more than 2 distracting grammatical errors. All paragraphs are indented.